Worried about forgetting your secure folder password? Here's how you can reset it easily using your Samsung account. Secure folder keeps your private files safe, but if you ever forget your password, you might get locked out. Thankfully, there's a built-in option that lets you reset your secure folder lock using your Samsung account. To do so, go to the app screen, then tap Secure Folder, enter your screen lock, tap the three dots, then tap Setting, tap Secure Folder Lock and Biometric, enter your screen lock again. Now, turn on Allow Lock Reset with Samsung account. So, if you forget your secure folder PIN, pattern, or password, just enter it incorrectly 3 times and you will see an option like Forgot Button or Forgot PIN or Password depending on your lock type. Tap it and sign in with your Samsung account to reset your lock. With this option turned on, you will never lose access to your secure folder. Your Samsung account has your back when you forget your PIN, pattern, or password. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.